Model, 67-plate Ford Transit Custom 2.0 TDCi Trend Euro 6 spares OR repairs. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 202,543. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCi 105ps. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: non-runner timing belt has snapped. Nice easy repair on these engines. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission seem to be good. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Features: 1 former keeper, electric windows, cruise control, parking sensors, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on